Okay, viewers, today what we have on the board is how to convert z is equal to square root of 3. So yeah, z is equal to square root of 3 plus operator I to polar form. Solution. Recall that these have two steps. So the formula for polar form is z is equal to r cos theta plus operator sine theta. So that is the formula, and r represent the modulus, which is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. If you check our last video, that's what we did. So r is equal to, that is the modulus, is equal to, you go back to your question given, because it is always in this form, a plus bi. So now that means that this is my a. If you want to compare with this, this is my a, and there is invisible one here. There is invisible one. It is tautology for us to write 1 operator I. So it's wrong. We can start from 2i and write, but if it is 1, it is wrong for us to write like this in mathematics. So that means that my a is square root of 3. Then my b, look at my b here. B is 1. So now a is square root of 3 raised to power 2, then 1 raised to power 2. Remember that in mathematics, this and this cancel. So what we have there is the 3 plus 1 square is still 1. Then r is equal to square root of 4. Square root of 4 is what? If you can check, square root of 4 will give us 2. Square root of 4 give us 2. R is equal to 2. The modulus r is equal to 2. Then we are done with that. Step 2. Remember that you have 2 steps. Step 1, this is step 1. Step 1 is how to find the modulus, and step 2 is how to find the amplitude or argument. So the theta, which is the amplitude or the argument, is equal to the tan inverse of b all over a. Tan inverse of b all over a. So tan inverse of b is what? Check, my b is 1 divided by square root of 3. So we have to look for the tan inverse of 1. Let me write it well. Okay, let me leave it there. Tan inverse of 1 divided by square root of 3. So if you check your calculator, how to press tan inverse is you press shift and tan in your calculator. You have this. So tan inverse of 1 all over square root of 3, it will give us 30 degree. This will give us 30. So we are done with that. So substitute this into the formula. Z is equal to r. My r is what? My r give us 2 into cos what? Cos 30, because my theta is 30 plus operator I sin 30. Remember what I told you in our last video, that how to check whether your answer is correct, that it is always r cos theta, you give us a, then r sin theta, you give us b. So at the end of our solving, 2 cos 30 is equal to square root of 3, then 2 sin 30 will give us 1. If at the end of your solution this is not equal to the question given, that means that you are wrong. So now, knowing all this, we can, because this is actual mathematics, the mostly the lecturer keep the answers in radian. So this is degree now. So how can we convert from degree to radian? So this is 30 degree. This is 30 now. So for me to convert to radian, it is 30 times pi divided by 180. Remember what we did in our last video. 30 the degree. This is constant. This is constant. If you want to change from degree to radian, you are using pi divided by 180. So this cancels itself 1 into here. How many times? 30, 60, 90. That should be if you check your calculator, that will give us 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, then 180 will give us 6 times. So this is equal to pi divided by 6. How to convert from radian, from degree to radian. So you can substitute this here. So z is equal to 2 into cos pi divided by 6 plus operator sine pi divided by 6. So this is in radian, whereas this one is in degree. These two and this are the same thing, nothing changes. So one is in radian and one is in degree. So keep on subscribing to my channel and share the link so that everybody can learn.